strangers, it's Ruby, coming to you not live from Texas. As I already said, my name is Ruby. From Texas. I'm 11 years old. It's really nice to meet all of you. My favorite book constantly changes. Same with my favorite TV show, favorite band, favorite song, favorite poem, pretty much favorite everything. Yay. Sorry if I cough sometimes and forget to edit it out. My whole family has a cold. But I actually lied there. My favorite poet is Shel Silverstein. Oh my god, it was like my childhood. I know, right? So anyway, like I said, I live in Austin, Texas, and, besides it not snowing here, it's a pretty cool town, Capital of Texas, keep Austin weird. There's like a lot of UT people around, but I don't actually live in Texas, I live in Utah. And you can take a look at my backyard, it's so pretty. We got this like cool forest thing. You can see that behind me, there is my room. I love my room. It's got 5 windows. I'm currently sitting on the floor in my bathroom. My laptop is on a bunch of books and it's not too comfortable. Besides that, I'm actually pretty happy with myself right here. I just started public school last year, going into 5th grade. I hadn't really been graded on anything before that. My interests include books, science, art, and singing. Doe, a deer, a female deer, that kind of thing. Also, speaking of science, I got 4th place in the science fair. Woohoo! Okay, strangers, this is gonna be lightning round. Messages to strangers. Britt, I am jealous of the snow. Really jealous. And the gloves. Michelle, your first impression was great. Rue, I love the haircut. Rachel, please, 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 please learn how to play the Song of Storms on that ocarina. Jefferson, can you explain to me exactly how hard it is to get into college? I really want to go to college. Allie, your hat looks amazing. Mila, cake break. I love you already. Hannah, you just threw all of my Canadian stereotypes at the door. School last year. I feel for you. Christy, like Britt, I want your snow. And your video is 28 seconds too long. Punishment! Brenda, too. I really like art and music and science and nerdy things. Also to mention, I'm a huge fan of anime and manga. Don't judge me. Combo hat. I'm also planning on doing a foreign exchange in my 2nd year of high school, and I need to decide what country I'm gonna go to. Like, what language do I learn? What do I do? Maybe you guys can help me out? This might not reveal a lot of important information about me, but we'll get that along the way. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And I'd like to apologize because I did a really bad job introducing myself. So if you guys have any questions or anything, just ask me in the comments, okay? Well, not the other strangers, because we're not allowed to, but, you can ask me questions in your videos or whatever. Oh, and guys, I'm sorry it's late, but my whole family got this really bad cold. And I got it.